Hello, friends. I am Naresh Narula, your life and NLP coach. See, today I'm very much excited because I am releasing my first NLP video. Please share, comment, and subscribe my video. There are many more videos, fascinating videos to come. And if you have some queries, please contact on my website or contact at my number 887415 7125. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Enjoy your life.
Hello and welcome to our today's show. I am Neetu Tiwari and sir, your guest of the day.
Thank you very much, Neetu, for inviting me on your talk show. Thank you very much.
Today we will be talking to Mr. Naresh Narula of his journey from a technocrat to a management professional to an NLP coach, who's helping people to grow, addressing health issues like anxiety, depression or career issues.
Yeah, Neetu, see, I had been working in various corporate companies such as Indian MNC, Australian MNC and US MNC companies. Basically, what was coming in mind that I am working for the objectives of the company, means meeting their objectives of the company. But somewhere in the back of my mind, there was a hidden desire that what I am doing is for meeting the objectives of the companies. But I am not able to satisfy my passions. My passion was that I have to help people, grow people and do something for society at large. It is said, Neetu, that if you have a strong desire for getting anything in your subconscious mind, that manifests through universe. If I remember, there is a law of attraction in which whatever you give to the universe, the same shall you receive. So that is what happened to me actually. I was having something in my mind that somehow I should get an opportunity to help people. So, but I was not very clear that how I to help people. So, fortunately, I met a lady coach, NLP coach, whose job was to help people resolve their issues like health issues, sugar problem, BP problem, anxiety problem, depression problem, lot many issues and many more, career issues. So I thought, if she's, at the age of 31, she's doing such a nice job. I asked, what is this? She said, this is basically I am an NLP established coach. So I got the opportunity to meet a person who can help me to develop myself and help the people at large.
So Mr. Naresh, जहाँ तक मुझे पता है that you are basically a technocrat or a management professional, right?
Yeah.
So tell me something about your journey कि आप कैसे एक technocrat से एक management professional से एक NLP coach बने?
See, I had gone to Gurgaon for some purpose and there I was staying in a guest house. In guest house, I saw one lady talking over phone to someone and as if I was thinking that she's a counselor. She was counseling on various issues. She was talking about how to resolve the health issues like there are many problems are there, career challenges, financial issues, relationship issues, husband-wife relationship issues. So I got interested in. So once she finished the call, I requested that lady that what is your profession? Are you a counselor or what? She said, Mr. Naresh, I was an anchor earlier and now I am a full-fledged NLP coach. NLP means Neuro-Linguistic Programming Coach, whereby I help people through NLP techniques to cross over their problems. If somebody has got, back problem or anxiety problem or sugar problem or some kind of financial problem or relationship problem such as husband-wife relationship or with the parents or with the society. So I was very much fascinated to listen. So that lady's name is Miss Neha Bhatia, And you know, she is 31. She was 31, and I saw that at the age of 31, she can do such a wonderful job for the society. Why cannot I? But at the same time, I had some personal issues, some slight health issues or emotional issues like that. So I wanted to resolve those things because I don't want to take any medicine and all that. So I requested her, please explain me what is NLP. So she told me about NLP techniques and what all this NLP is.
So Mr. Naresh, what do you mean by NLP and how it is helpful to common people? And the reason you got interested in learning about NLP?
NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. And the basic function of Neuro Linguistic Programming is, it is basically the programming of verbal and non-verbal communications of the brain. If we talk in a very simple language, I will simplify this thing. Say, I will cite an example. Your subconscious mind can be equated to the CPU of the computer. Okay. Now what happens if you don't format the computer, if you don't clean the CPU, if you don't manage the computer properly, don't maintain the computer properly? So what happens? Computers start malfunctioning and it doesn't work, have the problems. Same way, if your subconscious mind is corrupted, how it is corrupted? See, over the years, what happens? First of all, I'd like to tell you that a man has 60,000 thoughts in a day. Is it possible, Ritu, that one can control 60,000 thoughts? People say that you think positive, but it's practically not possible without any proper technique to control the thoughts or align the thoughts. So what happens over the years? People have lot many good and bad happenings in the life, and see, positive thoughts don't stay much. They are basically 10% occupying the space of subconscious mind. But negative thoughts like hurt, anger, all these situations, they are deposited in the subconscious mind, and we do not know what is happening to our subconscious mind or brain. And one day, a man has a problem of sugar and problem of blood pressure, problem of anxiety and depression. What he does? He goes to a doctor. Doctor does? He suppresses the subconscious mind but doesn't give any solution to the basic thing, because the basic result has not been achieved. He will give you medicine, your anxiety, this will be depressed this will be pasted on that. But it doesn't, medical science doesn't give the basic solutions to the problem, because the subconscious mind has been corrupted. So what NLP does is that it changes the pattern from the negative to the positive one. Means it takes you through NLP techniques to the positive frame of mind. So that is the power of neuro-linguistic programming, and if we use these techniques ritually, regularly, it will manifest, the result will come and people will get okay. People are having challenges of career, everything. If you follow those trends, techniques, it will give the result. So that is neuro-linguistic programming. And our second question is that why I adopted for NLP coach? Because I thought it doesn't have any invasive kind of thing. कोई injection नहीं लगना है साथ में. But by following the techniques, things can be sorted out. And also, if I am able to do that thing, I will make myself alright. But at the same time, I want that the people who are in distress, society at large, I want to help them also. So this is my objective and reason to understand neuro-linguistic programming.
So Mr. Naresh, how did you experience NLP techniques?
See, after meeting my NLP coach, Neha Bhatia, I requested her that I have some challenges like health issues, some emotional issues and back pain, etc. So I requested that I want to resolve these things. Is it possible? Well, yes, of course, Mr. Naresh, it's possible. But you need to take 6 to 7 sections from me, and your problem will be reduced to minimum. So I said, how come I have to sit in Gurgaon or what? He said, no, sitting at Allahabad, from Delhi, I'll be doing video conferencing and giving sessions of 2 hours every day, and you need to practice those techniques. I will tell you some techniques, you practice those techniques and continue till your problems are resolved. So what happens, she started giving me sessions from Delhi, and by the time 5th or 6th sessions I took, my problem was reduced to the minimum. So I was very happy that without having invasive kind of medical things and all that, no medicine, my problem was resolved to the minimum. I'm very hasty, and I can tell you this NLP, now I can tell you that NLP is a holistic solution, and NLP is the best certification in the world.
That's okay, Mr. Naresh. आपने हमें ये बताया कि आपने NLP टेक्निक्स को समझा भी और उनको अपनी लाइफ में अप्लाई भी किया, आपको उससे काफ़ी बेनिफिट भी हुआ. पर हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि हाउ एंड व्हाई डिड यू डिसाइडेड टू बिकम अ NLP कोच? मतलब व्हाट वाज द रीज़न?
Yes, there was very pertinent reason for this, because basically my nature is to help people and counsel people so that they can grow, and more so for becoming NLP coach, prerequisite is there that your communication skills should be very good, and by the grace of God I am also a motivational speaker, inspirational speaker, and this aligns with my personality. So I thought with these qualities I can really become an NLP coach, and thereby as a result I can help people also. So that was the reason. And as a question of how is there, after I got healing from my coach, I said, ma'am, I want to become NLP coach. She said, of course you can become, but you need to take about 10 to 15 sessions from me, as you have taken earlier. And if you complete 15 sessions, learn my techniques, I tell you, you can become a certified NLP coach. So she said, okay, I'll start. She started giving me sessions. These sessions are of about 2 hours, and there is a gap of 2 or 3 days, so that I can practice those things which she has told me. By the time I took 6 to 7 sessions, something magic happened. I got a call from my associate, who happens to be my junior in the office. He said that, sir, I want to commit suicide. I said, why? Well, sir, I am not able to work in the office and my mental condition is very poor. I said, why? What happened? She said, my wife is always sick. She's hospitalized most of the times, and she's having sugar of 520 units, and what to do? So I said, hold on. So I took about 3 to 4 sessions of husband and wife jointly, and very surprised to me that the sugar of that lady reduced from 520 to 120. Although medicines were there, but her anger and all those things were controlled. And as a result, her husband was also all right, because his wife is now happy and this thing. So 4 or 5 sessions were sufficient to manage their stress and everything. And today they are leading extraordinary happy life, and there is no question of doing any suicide. So with the blessing of God and giving the NLP sessions, I could save the life of a person. I am very happy. So that is the power and magic of neuro-linguistic programming.
So Mr. Naresh, you are already a technocrat or a management professional or also an NLP coach. So beside this, do you have some hobbies?
Yeah, of course. I have a hobby of singing and acting. I am a professional singer also, beside all these things.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.